Hey guys, Rocco here. So we've got EIC Outrage. I had such a good time watching the other one yesterday. We're going to do another one. Whether it's requested or not, we're doing all the outrages, so let's get into it. You ready? Got a drink? Good drink? Tasty snacks? Let's go. Stage 42.
Hello and welcome to EIC Outrage. My name is Sahil Shah and today we are going to be talking about the most important topic of all time, sanitation, aka Hagan, aka Uday Chopra's career. Around 600 million people in India don't have access to toilets and are forced to relieve themselves in the open. And it's high time that we start demanding sanitation as a fundamental right. Potte, kapra or makan. A survey found that most people in North India considered shitting outdoors as part of a healthy morning ritual. Lambi saans andar, lamba fat bahar. Don't believe me? Have a look.
हम लोग क्या करते हैं, दरिया के किनारे खड्डा खोदते हैं और खड्डे में ऑलरेडी ऑटोमेटिक पानी आ जाता है क्योंकि रेती से पानी रिस के आता है, तो इसलिए पानी लाने की जरूरत हम लोग को पड़ती नहीं, इसलिए ज़्यादा अपने को सहूलियत मिल जाती है.
Welcome to Mumbai, the city that never sleeps because the smell of shit keeps us awake. And this is just in Mumbai. It gets worse in the rural areas. Thanks to open defecation, around 14,000 children have died of diarrhea in the past year. Women have it tougher. They don't go out in the day because they are embarrassed, and most of them are afraid to go out at night because they risk rape. This is possibly the only situation where the heartbeat guy enters your house and offers you pepper spray instead. Deep. People also use the outdoors because the existing toilets don't have ventilation, electricity, and don't even have clear drainage facilities. This is what most toilets in India look like. Okay, look, I understand that this image may be disgusting to some people, so I'm going to replace it with a similar yet more shocking image. Yet the situation is not that bad. The Modi government is helping efforts to help these people. In fact, it was the PM's earliest promise to make sure that everyone has a toilet.
मैं कहता हूं, पहले शौचालय, फिर देवालय.
Okay.
And you know how much chai helps with the morning session. So when a chaiwala is urging you to use the toilet, you can't go wrong. Chaiwala! Despite criticism, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has been a great success, with the government building 89 lakh toilets across the country in 2015. BJP, more like Bharatiya Janata Party. And the good news continues. In 2015, Nadia district in West Bengal was the first open defecation-free area in the country, and more districts followed. Yet, like every person searching for a completely sanitized toilet, we have a very long way to go.
यूपी में एक और बड़ा घोटाला सामने आया है. राज्य में शौचालय बनाने के नाम पर बड़े गड़बड़झाले को अंजाम दिया गया. योजना में एक शौचालय के लिए 24,000 रुपए का आवंटन किया गया, लेकिन प्रत्येक शौचालय पर 2 लाख रुपए खर्च कर दिए गए.
And it's sad that the only people passing motions in our country are these politicians. I mean, then again, only they can pull off this shit because they are the real assholes. Deep. However, I believe that we won't achieve much success unless we change the attitude of the people. In Madhya Pradesh, they broke down the toilets that were built for them and even used some of the toilets as grain space. Someone needs to tell them that this is not for food that goes inside, it's for what comes outside. So there lies the core problem. Just having toilets is not enough. In fact, we need more educative initiatives like this one.
Yeah. Take it to the loo.
Better yet, let's take it mainstream. Why not have an item song? टट्टियाँ निकाली रे, ओ मैंने मेरी टट्टियाँ निकाली रे. Or rather than that, let's have mainstream movies or TV shows. Hi, आप देख रहे हैं कौन करेगा करोड़पति? अभिषेक, zara tissue lana. But jokes apart, what we really need is a sanitation drive like the one Bangladesh had. They got health workers to educate the communities about poor sanitation and now have the lowest amount of open defecation. 1%. This is because they cross the border and poop in India. I'm just saying. So let's join our hands together. But after washing them and start giving back to our country. Below are links to sites where you can donate a toilet and NGOs that help educate people about sanitation. Let's come together and give everyone their potty, kapra or makan. Let's start making a change because this outrage is exactly like poop. I don't think we can hold it in any longer. Thank you. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We are available on Facebook and YouTube as well as any public toilet in the country.
Yeah, of course, that's definitely a pressing issue. The sanitation, you got to have toilets. Like even in the Old West, didn't they just build their own toilets? Like get out there with some hammers and some wood and some nails and, put it together. Put it together, get a bucket under there, as long as you empty the bucket, that's the main one. And they built the toilets in the war situations wherever they go. They built the porta potties as well. But yeah, what can you say? I think it's one of those situations that's gone on so long now that there's generations of people that don't feel right unless they go out and have a shit outside in the morning in India. But yeah, I urge everyone, Sergeant Rocco is for indoor toilets and definitely clean ones. But yeah, let us know what you think. Hopefully it's getting better over there, but looks like it's in deep shit at the moment. We'll see you guys.
Since they wanna know.